Oh,
what the fuck? Oh no! I'm about to throw some more shit. Hold up. Let me throw some more. Get it. Let me put it on the hood of my car. Hold up. Fuck. Yeah, for real. I'm gonna go after you. Hell yeah. Quick. Just throw it. Oh shit. That nigga's gangster as a bitch. He waiting to attack. Oh, they scratching the shit on my car. You dumb as a bitch.
You said they scratching the shit on my car.
Dion, come on. God, this is the last piece. Let me get a slice of sausage. You gotta put him back if you let me get a slice. You got to quick give me that shit. Dang, that shit is good. That shit look good. Alright, so you gonna swing a piece back? Yo, I gave you breasting. You're right. Alright, I'm good.
You brave enough to go run and trash this box?
Mm-hmm. Oh, fuck no.
With the pizza in your hand. Go ahead. Trash that shit. See if your ass get attacked.
No, I dare you to walk.
Yeah.
I dare you to walk.
Walk and trash.
And look in the fucking sky like who's coming. I dare you to do that. Yo, you still recording? They still recording. You should run in the middle of that thing. See if they attack you. They scared of his big ass, man.
They scared of his.
They got a little too close, so that's why I threw it. That nigga's look. Put the camera on that nigga right there. He's a fucking G. He been sitting there the whole time. What the fuck? Yo, y'all trying to go buy some Alka-Seltzer? Yo, I hope you got that shit on camera.
I got that.
Oh, y'all trying to go buy some? Yo, y'all wanna buy something?
What the fuck for?
Yo, if they eat this shit, they blow up. Y'all ain't know that. Y'all don't do it. You got seagulls?
Who the fuck go buy some?
Yo, I'm about to go buy some. I ain't got no more money, dog. It's hot as a bitch in here. I ain't gonna roll down no fucking window. I want to throw something at the bird.
Yell out the window.
Yeah. He's not leaving. Come on,
bitch.
Yo, Matt. Yo. Right here. The sauce. Do you think they'll eat it? No. See what happens. Throw it out there? Yeah. Or put it on my hood. Put it on the ground or something. Nah, just throw it like right where they at. Yeah. Oh, he backing up. Throw the shit on them. Yo, throw this shit.
They gonna whip your ass.
Oh, shit. That nigga calling the squad, dog. You better get the fuck out.
They in a formation. Look at that shit.
The flying V.
They in a formation. Oh, here come the blitz.
Oh shit, they coming. Yo, let's get the fuck out of here. You're not getting out this parking lot. You're not getting out this fucking parking lot.
I do not endorse this shit.
What the fuck else can we throw? I don't know. I think bread was working though.
Yeah.
Man, let's rip the crust off and leave Marquise like. Shit. Yeah, dog, you just passing out breadsticks like it's nothing. Here they come already, dog. That nigga was coming. He don't know what the fuck. If you just throw this shit right in the middle. I want to come to the car. You don't want to get out that. Let me get like one more piece of that sausage.
You should get that shit and like run around with it. Get that shit and run around with it too.
Yo, I would
just holding it in the air. Just get it.
Yo, don't run. Just like stand there.
Yeah, just stand there.
Stand there.
See if it take it.
Hold on. See if they come. They probably scared. Oh shit! Oh shit! I heard something go. That ain't funny, dog. I heard something go. Oh shit! You good? Oh shit! You see you doing? Oh shit! Mobbing. Them niggas is mobbing. Yeah, I don't think they fuck that shit, yo.
Hold that shit now. Hold it now.
Throw it at it.
Hold it.
Throw it at the gangster one.
Yeah, throw it at him.
Throw it at the gangster.
Throw it at the nigga.
Just throw it at his face.
Throw it hard. Hit that bitch.
Hit him.
Oh shit! Oh, snatch that bitch! Oh shit! He gangsta as a bitch.
Oh shit, he's still around the car.
Nigga, let's get the fuck out of here.
Them niggas said, you think we gone?
They forget you threw that sauce
Man, fuck y'all.
You fuck around and be all over your car when you pull up.
Thank you.
Oh shit, eat that shit so we can throw.
Alright.
Savage, dude.
Nigga, I gotta savor this shit.
They both eating one.
Oh, okay.
Shit, I eat my crust. Nah, throw that shit out, bro.
It's hot as hell in here.
Oh my god.
I feel like Big Dag.
Dang. Fuck you about to do now?
Throw that shit. Throw some shit.
Trap a bird in his trunk.
Watch your shit all over this
FedEx.
Throw it on his truck. Let me see moving.
Put that shit in his truck. Put that shit in his truck.
Yo, oh my god. If somebody do that, I'll
Give me that shit.
You
I'm gonna put it on the back of the joint. Come on. Come on.
Run. Oh shit. Oh my god. What are you at? Oh shit.
What he at? I wanna see that shit. And then he's driving out.
Where the fuck he at?
Where the fucking birds at?
Come on.
Come on, man.
Where they at? Here come one. Fuck, he true.
Dumbasses.
They know that's a fucking FedEx truck. Yes.
He brings another package.
Come on. Throw it up onto the top of it.
Where the birds? Where did they go?
Yeah, grab that shit.
Wait, hold up. There's one. There's one. And they coming back.
Like if they see you throw it on the top of it.
That was a savage piece of like.
Marquise gonna be mad as hell.
I don't give a fuck, man.
We ate all this pizza.
No.
Not all of it, most of it.
Shit, funny as fuck. When you pull off, I bet you that shit come flying off.
Yeah.
He probably won't. He'll probably stay on there.
I think I can't tell if he saw you or not, because that nigga was mugging hard as
Hell yeah.
He was mugging hard as a bitch when he got back in the car,
He
though.
probably got a baseball bat.
What if he just got out the car, like, got out of the fucking FedEx?
That's what I'm saying,
I told you that shit was gonna be on there.
Shit.
Yo, give me that shit that you was eating.
And just, oh, what you gonna do? Throw it on the hood?
That shit ain't gonna work.
Nah, I'll pay you to throw it on that Mustang.
Oh, hell no. That lady just came out here and sat on that shit. She working it, dog. Yo.
Just drive on. Come on, just drive on.
Dog.
Real. Just start the drive off and throw it on the Mustang.
That's a good idea. You hear what he's saying, dog?
Man, just drive off and throw it on the Mustang.
Do that shit.
Come on, man.
Man, do that shit, please.
Oh!
Come on.
Alright, now we gotta eat another piece, or get some breadsticks or some shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Because we gotta do that.
I eat my
Damn,
You
Keith.
might as well just take his shit and pay him back $6.
I'm
Only
not in
had
the car
one.
with y'all. This is not the
You watched this video, only had one.
Oh,
Okay?
see, I forgot you recorded.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Only had one. Yeah.
I only had one Marquis. Man, we already caught, for real.
Yeah, bro.
This is sausage anyway.
I don't like ham. Nigga, I don't like ham, so fuck it. You know.
Pepperoni.
Oh, it's pepperoni. Hold up now.
He pointed at us.
You really gonna throw that shit on?
Mm-hmm.
Just go slow and just like toss it.
Like a drive-by.
You do.
Yeah.
You throw yours. I'll do it. Throw yours. I'm gonna put mine on the hood.
But make sure they're around here still.
Mm.